Hey guys, it's Sammy Lynn with Life with Sammy, and today we're taking you through an RV show tour, and we will be touring this small little Dodge. And let's take a look, and I'll give you my thoughts on how I feel about this home, because we are looking into the RV life 3 to 5 years. So let's check it out. And this is much smaller, and this is the size that I want. So this is a baby. I like this size. This would be really easy to get into the city and move around in. This is the bathroom, and look how compact that is. And the toilet's right in the shower, so you can get in. That's where the hose would hang. And you give yourself a shower right here, some curtains. Wash your face, brush your teeth. I mean, this is exactly what I'm looking for when we hit the road. But it is really small to think about living in full-time for 6 months to a year. So that's kind of where we're at, like figuring out what size is best for us for mobility and also just a living space. It's kind of a big deal. So I mean, we would literally be living out of this bathroom for a year. So there's the tiny little kitchen. So it has the sink and the stove, so that's good. Drawers, so you can put away cabinets, you can put away your dishes and pots and pans. A tiny little microwave, and I'm thinking this is the, oh, I thought this, right here's the fridge, that was the cabinet, but right here's the refrigerator. So this is a good size refrigerator.
It just had 2 beds in the back. I didn't like it, but you might love it.
What the heck? Maybe I just have to pull harder. There. Oh. Okay, so it locks. It'll lock in place. So it's a drawer. And then you can lock it. And then the freezer is rather small. It's a good sized refrigerator. And then I'm assuming this is the pantry. Oh. Hey. This is cute. And then you can lock that. And then that's the furnace. An extra so all of these are lockable, and then extra space. So these are the outlets for the electronics. There's like a little TV, so you can come over here and check out this TV. It has a cover on it. So this is the back side view of this RV, and actually it looks pretty roomy. It's not bad. This would be the bed space, and this is where you would be sleeping. This is the TV here, so I'll pop this open and show you. So it has a cover, that's nice, and I like the space here, and it fit my husband very well. He's 6 feet tall, so that was kind of a concern. And then also you can pop this up and make it into a chair, and then you can also sit here. There's a spot down here that you can connect the table to, so you can sit and you can eat with a table. That's what it looks like. So I really like this size. This is kind of the style I'm looking for. We're looking at the Mercedes, and then this is the Dodge. So it's really fascinating to get into these, and you can definitely tell the difference between the two and the quality of the two. This one, the Dodge, is definitely more affordable, and I really do like it. I really like the size. I'm just debating on how livable it can be for 6 months to a year or even longer. So that's kind of the deciding factor, and of course whatever my husband feels like driving also will be a big factor, because he's gonna be the driver. Thanks guys for touring this home with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think of this. Can you live in it? Comment below and let me know. If you did like it, please give me a thumbs up. And if you have any requests for any other RVs or anything here in Houston, comment below and let me know. Also, please subscribe for more content. And thanks for tuning in. As always, have a good day. Bye.